Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the first day of August in the year 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.41. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 28.16%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 2.35% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. Over the next 3 months, the current trend anticipates a potential decline of approximately 20.68%, with possible returns ranging from -31.41% to positive 21.77%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of around 20.08% over the next year, with potential returns between -28.46% and positive 67.54%. This means a projected price range of approximately $14.93 to $34.97 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Intel stock after gaining 0.87%. The Intel stock price increased by 0.87% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, rising from $20.69 to $20.87. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.35%, with a low of $20.41 and a high of $20.89. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 2.84% over that period. Volume decreased on the last day by 36 million shares, and in total, 48 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.01 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices indicates divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest price was $18.84. Currently, the price stands at 59.30%, or $30.41, below the 52-week high, and 69.88%, or $48.42, below the all-time high recorded on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel has announced a collaboration with Karma Automotive to develop a cutting-edge, software-defined vehicle architecture solution. This partnership places Intel firmly within the expanding automotive technology sector, which could promote long-term growth by diversifying its revenue streams and enhancing its technological capabilities. Simultaneously, Karma Automotive is making significant strides with 2 global premieres at the Monterey Car Week, showcasing its new luxury designs. This event highlights the innovative landscape of the automotive industry, suggesting that companies engaged in technological partnerships are likely to attract investor interest, which could benefit Intel's stock. However, Intel is facing challenges, as recent reports reveal its struggles with product defects and operational issues. Competitors such as Qualcomm are currently well-positioned to capture a larger market share in the personal computer processor segment. Predictions regarding artificial intelligence are turning optimistic for Qualcomm's stock, which may shift investment attention away from Intel in the short term. Furthermore, Intel's missed opportunities in the artificial intelligence chip sector, particularly after the cancellation of a potential deal with SoftBank, are raising concerns about its competitive stance against established players like Nvidia. The disappointment surrounding these developments adds pressure to Intel's stock in the current market environment. In the short term, these mixed signals may lead to volatility in Intel's stock price. However, the successful execution of new initiatives, such as the collaboration with Karma Automotive, could establish a strong foundation for recovery in the long term, contingent on market reception and execution. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Intel a neutral grade, recommending a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned Intel an outperform grade, also advising a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Intel a buy grade, suggesting a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned Intel a sector perform grade, recommending a downgrade action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Intel a market perform grade, advising a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Intel stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $28.62. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $20.22. A breakthrough of the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general negative indication. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 7th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has risen by 9.9%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a buy signal from 5 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has generated a buy signal from 15 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 98 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages has produced a buy signal from 106 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $20.11, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of 480 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.35%. In the last week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 4.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -2 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $21.48. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $20.11. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Patrick Gelsinger conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Patrick Gelsinger also conducted an insider purchase of 7,500 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner conducted an insider purchase of 6,503 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner also conducted an insider sale of 3,225 shares of common stock. On that same day, David Zinsner conducted an insider sale of 6,503 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a positive insider power with a ratio of 1.027. Overall, insiders purchased 453,394 shares and sold 439,116 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of August, we anticipate that Intel will open down by approximately 14 cents, starting at $20.72. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.